I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now here search and select Elastic Email. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, go to the Elastic Email dashboard. Now click on Setting and navigate to API. Create additional API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. You need to grant full access permission to make the API successful. Then click Create. Now copy the API key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Elastic Email. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate Elastic Email page, navigate to the audience, then navigate to the lists. Now select the list. Here is the data that came into Elastic Email through the integration. Thanks for watching.